Welcome back, guys. I have been using many shortcuts in Blender, which has made my journey even easier. I want to share my top 5 useful Blender tricks and unheard shortcuts, and I know that the last one is going to blow your mind. So let's get started. Have you found it difficult that whenever you import a file in your scene, it just gets lost in the huge graveyard? For that, right click and in the origins select geometry to origin and it's here. I know everyone find it difficult to work with a triangulated topology. Go to faces and select trace to quads. It remove most of the triangles, but for a complete good topology get the help of a nice topology add-on. Did you know that you could actually work in all the three modes: vertex, edges, faces? Just hold shift and left click on all. That's it. This trick is for those who parent object and then forget what all objects they have parented to it. By using shift plus G on the parent, you can see the children object parented to it, and you can see like anything their parents, children's, siblings and whatever. That's it. This is the trick you all have been waiting for, and some also skipped the video for this one. So, have you faced a situation where you cannot get any closer to the geometry or zoom in and out or even can't pan the screen? This is probably happen when you are inside a model to edit something. For that, just select the part you want to get closer or the vertex or that area and press dot on the numpad. These tricks will help you a lot. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.